Finance and process. Finance has three main processes. That's what they're grouped under. They're known as record to report, purchase to pay, and order to cash. And analysing them in order to document them and put them down on paper is not something that the majority of finance functions voluntarily do. It's only something they engage in with the help of consulting firms when they start to perform a finance transformation program. Personally, I believe they should be done all the time. You should always know what your process is, what its weaknesses are, what you're working on from a continuous improvement perspective. Know your own processes, and one of the best things it will do is it will save you time and by extension money when you're dealing with one of the consulting firms in order to perform transformation. But process, what is it? Is it just a process map? No, it's an awful lot more than that. And there are levels, and there are a hierarchy of levels from process level 1 down to process level 6, which is right down to desktop procedures. But you need to look at your process from a numbers perspective. So I understand how a document like an invoice, AP or AR flows through my end-to-end process, from out in the business, through my team, to finally being paid. I know that. But the single most important thing you must apply to that process is context. So it makes no difference unless you know how many invoices they are, at what regularity they flow through the system, which ones are the problem, which ones are touchless, which ones are straight through processing, etc. Numbers are very, very important. So process is actually of no use documented to the nth degree unless you provide context. Context comes from numbers. Process as long down as you like down to level 6, but apply numbers to it and understand whether it's effective.